Alright, so we're taking off these old cheap AutoZone spacers off, and we're putting on these new ones. I just wanted to show how the old spacer looks like. And here is the new one, so you can see how this new one looks. Let's go ahead. Alright, let's see how this one looks. So we took this off to help center the rim, and these spacers come with the centerpiece built on, so let's see how that goes. Put this guy over here. Let's adjust that. Okay, let me put the phone down so I can get it on. So here's how it looks. It looks good, but definitely hard to get on there because it's metal. That's so sexy. And here's the other side. We've got both of these on. Alright, yeah, so you have to use a rubber mallet to hammer this in. And I mean, it really gets stuck on there because it's aluminum alloy. But if you need to take it off, there are little grooves in here, so I guess you could put a flathead in there, but that's how it looks. Here's the finale. It looks like this now. There's no ugly. It actually looks pretty cool. Very, very nice. I definitely recommend these. They have this like nice little pattern too. Damn, if anyone looks at my brakes, they're gonna be like, damn, look at that spacer. Ooh.